All right, everyone. Today, I met a couple that they pay $1,000 a month for a car payment, which is crazy, right? Of course, this is $1,000 a month for the car payment, $750 for their mortgage, plus they have like two, three, four credit cards, maybe like a minimum payment of like $50, $100 a piece. You know, it's crazy, right? I mean, if you think about it, if the mortgage is $700, 750, and the car payment is $1,000, right there you're losing 1750 every single month, right? Now this couple have, let's see, they have 56 months left on that car payment. So for 56 months, they're still gonna be draining those $1,000 a month, right? And they have like a 23-year mortgage. So anyway, why am I telling you all this? Well, what ended up happening with this couple is they decided that they wanted to use the equity of their home to pay off the car loan, which is almost $60,000, right? And by doing that, instead of having a payment of 1750 every single month, now their payment is going to be around like 1250. So that means that they save around $500 every month. Now, some of you might say, well, yes, but now instead of only having 56 payments on that car loan, now you're locking him into a 15-year mortgage. Now you're gonna be paying that car for 15 years instead of like I mean, not 2 to 3 years, like 5 or 6 years that they're gonna be paying on that car. I mean, and I get that. That's a great point. But you see, I think that it is hard for a lot of people to understand that sometimes the ability of having an additional $500 a month now rather than 6 years from now is huge. And what I mean with that is, those $500, $600 a month can make a huge difference between, being out of debt and having a normal life, I guess, or filing for bankruptcy because you cannot take those monthly payments anymore, losing your car, or what's even worse, like falling behind your mortgage, right? So anyway, why am I telling you this? Because I think there's a big dilemma. A lot of people really are thinking, well, I have these huge bills. Can I use the equity of my home? Should I take some equity out to pay this debt that I have? And I'm gonna say it really depends. Like people like David Ramsey, they will put a line on the sand saying like, no, you never do that. You're transferring debt, and you still owe the money anyway. You just put it on your home balance instead of instead of having a car loan, right? Well, the way I see it, the way that the advice that I can give you is that you can't put everyone on the same bucket. Like I think that it comes down to the attitude, that your expectations, your behavior that you're gonna have with that debt. And what I mean with that is true that you're extending that debt for 15 years instead of 6 years, but you might be doing something to bring more income with those extra $500 $600 that you have. You might have changed your spending habit behaviors, so instead of just going out and eating out every single day, you might cut down on that, and you might cook your meals from home and take them to work, or you will refrain from buying a Christmas present to every single person in your family. I guess what I'm trying to say is it all depends in the person. It all depends on what you're planning to do with your life. If you truly commit to improving your financial situation, then those $500, those $600 can be huge, can be a big break for you. It can really give you a little bit of release, the release that you need to be able to change jobs or like improving your career, or find a second source of income, whatever it is, right? So if you're in that specific position, a specific situation, Don't just make assumptions like, no, refinancing and paying off debt, paying off my car is wrong. I would really stop, analyze the reasons why you're doing it, the reasons why you're thinking about moving forward with this decision. And, at the end, look, at the end, there's only one person that knows you, and that's you, yourself. You know yourself better than anybody else does. And when you're making a decision based on, look, this is great. I'm gonna open up more more income to be able to spend it, to buy that toy that I want, or that our recreational vehicle that I want to have, or to go on the vacation I wanted to go. Or if you're truly doing it because you want to improve, you really want to make things better, you really want to um, get out of the hole and create a future for yourself, if that makes sense, right? Anyway, what are your thoughts about it? That's what I personally believe. I think that you should analyze yourself and should make decisions based on what you know about yourself, based on what you're planning to do. um, and yeah, I was able to help out this couple. I submitted the loan application today. Tomorrow they'll be sending me the documents, and during the weekend they're gonna start moving forward with this decision that I made on their life. Thank you, every single one of you, for watching. Subscribe, follow me in the social media of your choice, and I will talk to you guys soon.